Hello, my name is Amit Kandube. I am from Agra. I have completed my B.Tech in Electronics and Communication from Anand Engineering College, Agra. After completed my B.Tech, I was doing the job in battery department. That time I was thinking how can grow my career in IT sector. So that's why I have joined the Evision and I understand lot of things and lot of tools and what is the network and how many types of network present in IT sector and video administration and how can we take the PC on remote access and how can we resolve the problem of customer without present there and what is CCNA and how can we give the IP address to the system and lot of things I understood from Evision. And after completed my internship, I will definitely crack my interview in IT sector.